What up, YouTube? And we back with another video. Just came to only Subaru car meet. Like, the cord is absolutely filthy right now. I haven't washed it in like 2 days, and it's been raining over and over again. Guys, I'm thinking about getting a Subi now. Coming to these Subaru car meets and all, seeing so many out here. I might have to grab myself one. We got a Civic Type R and an S2K. It's dope. Imagine having this on the track. Oh my god. Taste the rainbow. Feel the WRX SCI Subarus.
What?
I thought it would be funny, but not. Boosted Scion. Look at that. Ooh. So this is a straight up sleeper. It looks so damn normal. But who knows? It was boosted. Is that a Buddy Club? I can't tell. I think it is a Buddy Club exhaust. I bet this thing sounds amazing. With the Anki RPFs. Of course, we got the certified shit box. This is funny. I smell straight ethanol coming out of that Subi. That corn, it smells so good. And here's my filthy rust bucket. I gotta wash this thing, guys. It's been a minute since I washed it. Well, guys, is it time to roll the Dynamic? Actually, you know what it is? Let's start it right now. Ooh, this looks sick. I check out this color on the GTI. It looks nice, man. Guys, I'm going to go test drive one of these GTI. Oh my god, look at this. The Volks. Damn, it looks sick. Oh no, this is sick. With the white wheels. Oh, look at the seats. Now this might have to be the move, guys. This might have to be the move. Let's get some videos real quick. Yes, sir. We just left the car meet. I'm gonna be putting in a lot of footage that I took like a couple of days ago. Car sounds really good.
One debt to society later.
Spit some flames! Spit some flames! Going to the boat! Rev it!